I'd recommend SYS to someone else or another supplier because I find them very beneficial to the company. They're a very open, honest company. They help you through the process of purchasing the correct machine. So when we started out, I was a bit unsure of what machine would help us with the company, what would benefit our processes and our procedures. You know, we started out with a very small machine, which when I started was already there with the company. I have quite a lot of experience in 3D printing, but since we've added the larger Fortus machine, it's brought us on leaps and bounds. You know, the speed that we can create a 3D component, and then because my workshop actually has a test facility, so we can verify any component. So it's quick for a designer to make something, create something in 3D, and then send it to me. I can print it, and the next morning I can be fitting it to a rig and actually verifying it, whether it's okay, whether it's strong enough. In actual fact, it's fantastic that we can add on other things later on, so it gives us lots of capabilities with other future projects, because although it's office furniture we do, it gives us a wider range of other things that we can, we're not fixed in just nylon or just ABS. It now gives us much more. Well, SYS basically can offer you a machine that is specific for our needs. But when, say, I have another request or something which is a different material, then I can come back to SYS and say, hey, what machine can I use? So basically, if our machines are at capacity, I can use SYS as an overflow, because their costing is, or their pricing is very good. So we don't have to invest in more machines or bigger machinery. We can have one that is working all the time for what we need, but when it hits capacity and we desperately need things in a short period of time, SYS will step in and help me out. In my previous experience of sales guys trying to sell machines to me or even materials, I've always found they're very good at the sales part, but they have no understanding or concept of the machine that they're selling. Whereas SYS do have a good understanding or a good concept of how the machine works and how to apply it to what our needs are. The technical advice, the speed of response with things, they're at the end of a phone or an email. I can get things turned around like, an engineer will be out the next day. Actually they're giving us a very good deal on the machines and on the materials. Actually, the materials are very good for price as well. So, and they are very friendly, very helpful company.